Good morning, students. I hope you all are good. Today I am going to explain you chapter 17 in English grammar, direct and indirect speech. So let's start. What is speech? The word spoken by a person is called the speech. किसी भी पर्सन द्वारा जो वर्ड्स कहे जाते हैं, जो भी हम बोलते हैं, उसे स्पीच कहते हैं. Speech is divided into two parts. Number 1, direct speech, and number 2, indirect speech. Direct speech, it is the method of reporting what someone has said in their own words. It is written within quotation mark. Direct speech एक मेथड है रिपोर्टिंग का कि किसी ने अपने वर्ड्स में जो भी कुछ बोला एज इट इज. इट इज रिटन विद इन कोटेशन मार्क. डायरेक्ट स्पीच कोटेशन मार्क में लिखा जाता है. एज यू कैन सी इन द एग्जाम्पल, राहुल सेड आई एट एन एप्पल. आई एट एन एप्पल ये डायरेक्ट स्पीच है और इसको कोटेशन मार्क में लिखा गया है. नाउ कम टू द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. वी यूज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच व्हेन वी डोंट यूज द एग्जैक्ट कॉपी of the speaker's word. In simple words, we can say that in indirect speech we convey what someone has said but in our own words. Indirect speech में हम exact speakers के words को copy नहीं करते हैं. जो भी किसी person ने कहा है उसको हम अपने words में बोलते हैं. For example, Rahul said that he ate an apple. There are some rules for changing direct speech to indirect speech. Number 1, remove inverted commas and use that. Direct speech में inverted commas जो दिया गया है उसको आपको remove करना है and उसके place पर that का use करना है. Now rule number 2, we will change said to told. said to को हम told में change कर देंगे जब हम direct speech को indirect speech में convert करेंगे. Rule number 3, pronouns change according to the rules given below. Pronouns को change करने के लिए कुछ rules यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. Number 1, first person. First person I or we change according to the subjects. First person I or we subject के according change होंगे. For example, Anil said, comma inverted comma, I am going to the market. I am going to the market is in the direct speech. So Anil said, comma inverted comma will change in that. And pronoun I change according to the subject, according to the speaker, Anil. Anil is masculine gender. So we will use he on the place of I. Was going to the market. Second person you change according to the object. For example, Riya said to me, comma inverted comma, you are intelligent. So in indirect speech, Riya told me that you is second person and it will change according to the object me. So we will use I on the place of you. I was intelligent. Now come to the third person. Third person he, she, it, they, etc. remains same. Third person में कोई भी change नहीं होता, वो same ही रहते हैं. For example, girls said, comma inverted comma, they are doing project work. So in indirect speech, girls said that they is third person, so there will no change in they. They will remain same. They were doing project work. Now there are some other rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Number 1, simple present tense will change in simple past tense. Present continuous tense will change in past continuous tense. Third, present perfect tense will change in past perfect tense. Simple past tense will change in past perfect tense, and past perfect tense remains same. There will no change in past perfect tense. May will change in might, can will change in could, shall in should, will change in would, now will change in then, this will change in that, here will change in there, today will change in that day, yesterday will change in previous day, and ago will change in before. Now, there are some other examples for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Example number 1, he said, comma, inverted comma, he has packed his clothes. For changing in indirect speech, first of all, we will check the type of sentence in the direct speech. So, it is present perfect tense because in this sentence has, helping verb has and verb की third form use की गई है. So, present perfect tense will change in past perfect tense. Now come to the sentence, he said that he remains same because he is third person and there is no change in third person. Has will change in had because helping verb had is used in past perfect tense, and packed his clothes. In example number 2, she said, comma, inverted comma, I bought a new car. I bought a new car is in simple past tense because in this sentence no helping verb is used and verb की second form यहाँ पर यूज़ की गई है, यानी ये simple past tense है and simple past tense change होता है past perfect में. So, she said will remain same and inverted comma will change in that. I is first person and first person change according to the subject. That means first person will change according to she. And on the place of I, we use she. And in past perfect tense, had and verb की third form use की जाती है. So, she had bought a new car. So, in this way, we can change direct speech into indirect speech. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.